Hello everyone. Now we understood the merge, commits, and how to check the history. Today we will learn about git tags. What is git tag? Tag is basically a pointer, a pointer that points to a particular commit. That points to a particular commit. Tag, there can be two type of tag. One is the lightweight tag where you can just mention some tag name. Okay, and there can be another kind of tag that is heavy tag, that consisting of maybe creator's name, email, or message. Okay, so let's understand it in a better way. In your project there can be hundreds and hundreds of commits, right? There can be many commits, and at many places you do many improvements and decrements, right? Let's say this is the branch, this was the branch, here again merge occur, here from here also it is continued. Like this you have a multiple project, but to you want to point out some commits or some places where either you want to visit often, or or it is an important event or important commits, like you released one version, let's say 1.0. Okay, or maybe you created a feature is completed, let's say at this point one feature is completed. So let's say it is like you can give the name uh, feature 1. So like this, wherever there is an importance and you want to visit it frequently, or you want to see it directly, we use the git tag. Why? In project there can be hundreds of commits will have hundreds of messages, and if I want to visit some place important, it is not an best idea. It is not an best idea to go through the hundreds of comments and find out the exactly the commit you want to check out. For resolve that, we use the git tag. Let's say at this place I have released my first version, so I can give it the tag 1.0, and I can mention the message like uh, released version or something. Okay, maybe here I created the new functionality is completed, I can provide f1.0, and maybe I can give message, okay, like date functionality is done. So in this sense, you can use the tag. Now let's quickly see the practicals. Okay, here I have my uh, project. So what I will do, git checkout, I will do main. Okay, now we are in main branch. Uh, let's do git log. Let's do git log. So here is my head and it is pointing here. Okay, so let me do q. So as you can see, there are many commits. So let's say at this specific point of time, I want to release my project or my software. So what I can do, I can do git tag, and I can provide version 1.0 minus m for commit and provide the commit. Let's say uh, released new version. So this 1.0 tag is created. If I how to check all the tags, I just need to put git tag and it will show me all the tags what I have made. How to check the particular tag? I can do git tag show 1.0. Okay, so it will show me the data. Okay, uh, let's do some commits and move forward, and I will show you how these tags can help us. Okay, so let's do ls, and there are three files. Let's create one more file. Let's say touch f4.txt. and let's do commit git status git add all git commit minus m created f4. Now let's do one more commit. Let's say nano uh, f4.txt, and let's put some line in f4, control s control x. If I do git status, at this condition I will find here is a modification, so I can do git add all git commit minus m. Here I can say added a line in f4. So if I do git log now, if I do git log, you can see one thing. Here I have a tag. I have a tag name git tag 10, and there is one more tag git show. What if I want to go to that tag? For that, I can simply put the command git checkout and tag name. So let me put the command. So I can, let's first check what that tag consists. So I can just simply say git show v1.0. So here it bring out that tag commit directly, and it is saying that commit was merging both the branches for tg. Right now, if I want to check out that commit, I can simply put checkout git checkout and just tag name 1.0, and I am suddenly on that particular tag. How to verify? Ls there is no uh, file 4, because file 4 has been added after that. Let me do again git log. As you can see, my head is pointing to here, right? Now let me go to main git checkout main. If I do git log, if I do ls, I am on the latest commit again. Let's learn how to delete a tag. Okay, how to delete a tag. For that, command is really easy. Git tag minus d and tag name. That's it. If I do git, or if I do git tag now, git tag shows me all the tags. So there is only one tag name show. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept of tags and why we need the tags and how to use the tags in our Git repository. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.